Close your eyes for a moment. Have you seen anything other than darkness? What if the world was full of darkness? No light, no flowers and plants, nothing to eat or drink. The world we see began in this way. God created this whole world out of nothing. In the beginning, there was only God and He spoke. It was by His word He turned darkness into light. He spoke for 6 days. He created the sky on Monday, separated sea from the land on Tuesday. He set the sun, moon and the stars in the sky on Wednesday, filled the oceans with whales, dolphins and chirping birds on Thursday. He created animals from huge mammoths to furry kittens on Friday. On Saturday, He remembered us and created human beings. But why did God create all of this? Do you think it was because He was lonely and had no one to talk to? No, God created all of this out of His love for you and me. The story of creation is found in the first page of His book named Love. So, when you gaze at the sky, play in the rain, hear the chirping birds, smell the fragrant flowers, eat vegetables, do not forget the one who created all of this. Thank you.